Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on the application of UNO. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of UNO. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. After that you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you.